Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for a reliable and easy-to-assemble 3D printer. This DIY kit offers a fun and educational experience as you build your own printer, helping you understand its mechanics and operation in depth. The kit includes removable print sheets, which make it simple to remove finished prints and maintain the build surface easily. One of the standout features of the Prusa Malawian Kwachas is its automatic calibration system, which ensures optimal printing accuracy without the need for manual adjustments. This helps users achieve high-quality prints right from the start, reducing frustration and trial and error. The printer supports a generous build volume of approximately 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, allowing you to create medium-sized objects with ease. The package also comes with a filament sample, so you can begin printing immediately after assembly without needing to purchase additional materials. The printer supports a variety of filaments, making it versatile for different types of projects. Its user-friendly design, combined with detailed instructions, makes it ideal for newcomers to 3D printing while still providing advanced features appreciated by hobbyists and professionals alike. Overall, the original Prusa Malawian Kwachas DIY 3D printer kit offers a balanced mix of fun assembly, cutting-edge features, and reliable performance, making it a highly recommended option for anyone looking to explore 3D printing or upgrade their current setup. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a versatile and user-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers. It boasts a fast printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, allowing users to complete projects quickly without sacrificing quality. The printer features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, approximately 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, providing ample space for creating a wide variety of models and prototypes. One of the key highlights of the Ender-3 V3 SE is its CR Touch auto leveling system, which ensures accurate and hassle-free bed leveling. This automated process significantly reduces setup time and improves print reliability, especially for users new to 3D printing. The printer also integrates the Sprite Direct Extruder, a high-performance extrusion system designed for smooth filament feeding and excellent print precision. This direct drive extruder is especially effective when working with flexible or specialty filaments. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis design enhances the printer's stability and precision, resulting in sharper details and improved overall print quality. Additionally, the printer supports auto-load filament functionality, simplifying the process of starting new prints. With a sturdy frame and intuitive controls, the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE delivers an excellent balance of speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Whether you're printing functional parts, artistic models, or prototypes, this 3D printer offers great value for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C is a high-performance 3D printer designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals seeking fast, reliable printing. One of its standout features is its impressive printing speed, capable of reaching up to 500 mm per second, which significantly reduces print times without compromising quality. This speed advantage makes it ideal for rapid prototyping and efficient production cycles. Equipped with an all-metal hot end, the M5C supports printing temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing users to work with a wide variety of filaments, including advanced materials that require higher temperatures. This flexibility enhances its versatility, making it suitable for diverse printing projects. The printer boasts a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, providing ample space for creating medium-sized models and parts. This size strikes a good balance between workspace and footprint, fitting comfortably on most desks while enabling substantial print projects. AnkerMake M5C integrates modern features such as 7x7 auto-leveling, ensuring consistent first-layer adhesion and reducing setup time. The leveling system enhances print accuracy by compensating for slight bed irregularities automatically. The device offers intuitive control, supporting operation via multiple devices, making it convenient to monitor and manage prints remotely or locally. Its user-friendly interface is designed to simplify the printing process, even for those new to 3D printing. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C is a fast, versatile, and easy-to-use 3D printer suitable for a wide range of applications, combining high-speed performance with advanced features for dependable and precise printing results. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact yet powerful device designed for users who want a quick, precise, and versatile printing experience. One of its key highlights is support for multicolor 3D printing, enabling users to create vibrant, detailed models with multiple filament colors in a single print. This feature expands creative possibilities without the need for multiple prints or manual filament changes. Setup is straightforward and efficient, allowing users to get started within just 20 minutes. This rapid setup process, combined with full auto calibration, makes the printer very accessible even for beginners. The full auto calibration ensures the print bed and nozzle alignment are perfectly adjusted every time, reducing errors and enhancing print reliability. In addition to ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini offers high-speed printing while maintaining impressive precision. This balance of speed and accuracy enables quick production of detailed parts, which is especially valuable for prototyping and creative projects. The printer also features active flow rate compensation, a smart technology that automatically adjusts filament flow during printing to ensure consistent extrusion and optimal print quality. Noise levels are kept remarkably low, with the printer operating at or below 48 decibels, making it a quiet option suitable for home, office, or classroom environments. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines user-friendly features, multicolor capability, high speed, and quiet operation in a compact form factor, making it a versatile choice for 3D printing enthusiasts of all skill levels. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is a versatile desktop 3D printer designed for both home and educational use, offering reliable, high-quality printing with user-friendly features. It comes equipped with a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, optimized specifically for fast and precise printing with PLA materials. This extruder is engineered to minimize downtime by allowing easy replacement, ensuring smooth and continuous operation. One standout feature is the factory-leveled Flex Build plate, which provides a flexible and removable printing surface that simplifies model removal and helps maintain consistent print adhesion. The build volume measures 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, offering a generous workspace for creating a variety of medium-sized 3D objects, suitable for prototypes, educational projects, and creative designs. The Replicator Plus delivers improved print speeds and accuracy compared to previous MakerBot models, making it ideal for users who need efficient and detailed prints. It includes integrated software and connectivity options that enable easy control and monitoring of print jobs from computers or mobile devices, increasing convenience and workflow efficiency. Designed with classrooms and makerspaces in mind, this printer supports learning and creativity with its simple setup and maintenance. It is backed by MakerBot's reputation for quality and innovation in the 3D printing space. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, the Replicator Plus provides a dependable and flexible solution for fast PLA printing at an accessible price point.